My name is James Burns, Associate Professor of Electrical Technology at Johnson County Community College, and this is Industrial Wiring, ELTE 230. In industrial wiring, students learn about rigid conduit applications, busways, industrial three-phase power systems, and industrial transformer applications. Here they learn about industrial electrical safety, industrial panel boards, switchboards and switchgear, how to bend and thread rigid conduit using industry-standard methods and tools, busway installation, generator and transfer switch installation, and industrial transformer applications. Students gain hands-on experience wiring three-phase transformers and power systems. They are also exposed to hazardous location installation requirements and wiring techniques. Class activities are reinforced with best safety practices such as lockout, tagout, and adherence to the National Electrical Code and NFPA 70E. Students that are successful in this course will have a solid foundation to begin a career as an industrial electrician.